Welcome back to the Way YouTube channel. I'm Kanan for Basin Motorsports, and today we're going to talk about 5 simple ways to spruce up your old car. First thing you should do is get the exterior nice and clean. Now if you're like me and you're sitting in snow, you may want to use your Way app to find a local touchless car wash to give your exterior a nice clean finish. Then get a clay bar and a nice wax on it to really preserve the exterior. And then don't forget your interior. If it's all cluttered, clean it up, organize it, get everything vacuumed out, wiped down, and your interior will be in great shape. Item 2 on our list stays with the interior, and if your seats are worn and they're ripped or the foam is just in bad shape, it's time to get those seats upgraded. Maybe a set of new covers or a new set of foam will really turn around that ride. The third way to spruce up your old car, add some fresh paint on the exterior or a new set of wheels and tires. It'll really dress up the exterior. Item 4 is to update the operating system, and what that means is you could add a cold air intake, camshaft, a new exhaust system, new intake system, or you can go a little bit more wild with a turbocharger, a supercharger, or some nitrous oxide. And item 5 is going to be adding some new technology, maybe something simple like a new Bluetooth radio, a remote start, or just some LED headlights to help you see better at night. That's 5 simple and efficient ways to spruce up an old car. Now if you like these do-it-yourself, be sure to subscribe here on the Way YouTube channel, hit the bell notification so you know when we release new videos. Follow us on TikTok, on way.com, and on Instagram at way.com_. Because here at Way, it's all about cars. We'll see you next time.